Hello, so today I will show you how to use the CCLeaf Animations here. And we will do the Minecraft category today, just to show you. Here we can scroll down and look for a lot of cool different type of animations we can use. But depending on the pricing or what type of plan you buy, I have bought this one. We can only take different type of animations. If you scroll down here to plans, you see Essential plus Ultimate. So if I click Essential, that is what I can do. We see many different type of here. I can take subscribe, play shown in chat, item breaking in half. So I want to do a Minecraft one. So I just search up Minecraft, or you can click up here. This is the most trending one. And then we can scroll down here and pick the one we want and the one that fits into our video. So maybe we can do, let's see, mm, this one. Minecraft item. This one we take. So down up here, you can choose how to edit this one. We can replace this image right here. They have a site called, I don't remember what the site called right now, but we can just look it up here. Yeah, here it is. So you search up CCLeaf icons on Google, and we come to this site right here. And here they have all the ores, um, all the items, all the blocks, everything in Minecraft. So if we want to maybe have a bow like this, we just download it. And now if we click here, replace this one, we can take this bow and use media. So now we will have this one. We can also change the item name here or the color. Maybe we want the color to be red. Red is like a dangerous color. Maybe a little more like this. The background color, I don't know what we want. Maybe we can have it like this, little gray, blue, dark. Spotlight color, I think it's this one right here. We can have this like gold, I think looks cool. Can we find any gold? This is yellow, but we could take, I don't know, something like this. This will work good. The item name, we can take pixel bow, because text pixel is my name, and bow after it, and we can do item settings, like how big we want this to be. But now we don't see because you have to click preview here, but we can fix in the everything here, values. I think this looks good. We try to preview. We just click preview and we wait down here for it to render. This looks good, but this background color is not one of my favorites. So if we do little like this, and if we also click down here, snap, we will do a snapping review, and it will be in high quality, like this. This looks good. Can we watch the video? No, we can only do a snap. So this is how the quality will look if we export this to our computer. So this is snap. We do like the full quality. We get a snapshot or a screenshot of the whole how it will look. And the preview is bad quality video. I don't know why they have bad quality, but that's how they do it. Like this. And if we want this to download this, we just click up here, export, We can click here MP4. We get a black background, but because it's already a background on this one, we can choose whatever. But if you choose one animation where it's a transparent background, we can do this one, transparent background, and click export. Now we just wait for it to download. Your animation is ready, click download, and we have it here. So now I will show you this video clip right after this. If you think that looks good, use this site, CCLeaf, for anything. If you buy a Plus or Ultimate, you get a lot of cool features that you can use. Like this one is one of my favorites, but you have to upgrade. The pricing is kind of good. This only $19, and 64 for this. But if you're doing this much or a big creator, this should be nothing for you. So yeah, if you have any other ideas or questions about CCLeaf, please ask me down in the comments, and I will happily answer them. So if this video was useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Bye.